Hello friends, I'm Saurav and you're watching your channel My Garden Care Tips. Today I will share my knowledge regarding fungicide. Please watch this video till the end. First, it will help you to know about fungicide correctly, and second, it will help my channel to grow so that I can share my experience with you. So let's begin. As you know, July is the rainy season on some parts in India. In rainy season, we have fungus problem in plants due to high level of moisture, and we have to save our plant from fungus, otherwise our plant will die soon. There are two types of fungicide available in market. First is contact fungicide and second is systemic fungicide. Contact fungicide remains on the leaf surface after application and do not penetrate the tissue. These fungicides are usually used for control of foliar disease. A contact fungicide must be present on the leaf surface before the disease penetrates. That means you can use this fungicide as a precautionary measure to prevent fungus. But if the plant already has been attacked, then this fungicide cannot prevent that. Another problem is with this fungicide is that as it stays on the surface, it can easily wash with water. So this is not a good option in rainy season. Now the second fungicide is systemic fungicide. This fungicide is the one which is taken up by the plant. That means it penetrates the plant tissue and circulates throughout the plant internal system. It also saves root of plant from fungus. It protects the plant from infections and restrict or control, you can say, the further growth of fungal infection. This fungicide is used when plant is already attacked by fungus. As this fungicide penetrates the plant internal system and not having a risk of washing away with water, it is a very good option in rainy season. In market, these both fungicides are made available by different companies. But I use this fungicide which you are seeing in front of you. This is called as SAF, that is SAAF, and it is a combination of contact and systematic fungicide. You can see in back it is written contact and systemic fungicide. So it will act on upper and inner layer of plant. This fungicide is also available in liquid, granule and powder form. Fungicide is also used in seed germination, propagation. It will save the seed and branch and make your seed germination and propagation 100% success. So here you can see I have already prepared the fungicide solution. The measurement is in 1 liter of water you can take half teaspoon of fungicide. That's enough. I am propagating Ixora plant, so I will use this in soil. Give till the solution is coming from the bottom of pot. It is necessary, otherwise it will not act properly. If your plant is already attacked, then use foliar spray method. It will act quickly. If you want to know how to spray correctly, you can watch my other video. I will give link in description. That's all I know about fungicide, friends. I hope now you know which fungicide you should use and when. Please subscribe and I will catch you with my next video. Till then, happy gardening.